Welcome to my channel IT Minds. In this video we will see about how to install the Oracle onto the VirtualBox. For this you must have the Oracle VirtualBox installed and also the Oracle Virtual Disk image. So this is the disk image. I am having virtual disk image of the Oracle. So you must have this Oracle disk image. Once you have this Oracle disk image, then we can go for installing it. So we'll go to the Oracle VirtualBox. We'll go for creating file, new virtual machine. Directly we can select here. Give the name of the Oracle virtual machine as Oracle 2. It is a 64-bit. Memory as it is, we are keeping it. Here we have to select the important part is here. Use an existing virtual disk. Okay. So I am having this base EM. You can select it from the folder where it is here. You can add it from the file where you kept it. Suppose I have kept it at in the D folder. You can select this file. Okay, you can add this file, base VM. After adding this file, so this is the we are currently using the existing virtual hard disk image. We will go for create options. So in the setting we have given where the disk image file is there. So now we'll power on this virtual Oracle VirtualBox. So the installation process is going on. You can convert the virtual disk image into the normal image also. But since I am having Oracle disk image, therefore I am using it. So this process will take about 5 to 10 minutes. So the installation process is going on. So in this video we are just seeing the installation step. After the installation steps, we will go for seeing how to write the SQL queries into the Linux in the virtual machines. So you have to now now we will provide the username and the password. So my username is root and the password is root 123. Going on, going on, going on, going on, going on. So this is how we have installed Oracle into the virtual machine. Now how to start the environment, okay, how to start the SQL. So we'll have to open the terminal. Okay, once we have opened the terminal, we can issue the commands via slash etc slash oratab. This command we will see to check the Oracle SID. Or instead of using vi, we can go see here it into the last line. We can also issue the cat command. You can see here the Oracle SID bscit. This is the path where our Oracle is installed slash u01 app Oracle product dbm_1. N it stands for the Oracle database is not started. Okay, it is in the no instance mode. So you can make the database to start by clicking it here Y, and you can give it as an N for making the database not to start. That is a different part, that is startup no mount startup, that later on we will see it. So we have seen the name of the Oracle SID. So we can also issue the cat command and see the last line. So now we will see about how to issue the commands for setting up the Oracle environment. So first we have to find the name of the SID. So the Oracle SID can be located by going into the folder slash etc slash oratab. So the name of the SID is bscit. Once we have found the name of the bscit, to the user as Oracle. Now we can set the Oracle environment. Okay, so this Oracle SID has been now changed to bscit. Now we can issue the command SQL plus connect slash sysdba. Okay, so now we are connected to an idle instance. That means the Oracle is not started. So we have to start up the database by using startup no mod mount. These are the different ways we can start. So just now you issued the startup command, so Oracle database will be started. Okay, now you can see we have Oracle instance started. First this, now the database is starting. You can see here database mounted. We can give for different options like startup no mount, so database will not be mounted. Now just where you issued the startup command, so the database is mounted here. Okay, now we'll issue the command like create table. can see our table is created. We can insert the record also.